Order ka dyan. Kunwari may kausap ka.
Hello, Sasha. Sasha Padilla.
Bakit? Nakakita ko doon sa...
Oh, ito na.
Oh, bakante. Shit.
Forgidor Island Tour. Ito daw.
Ayan, inquiry.
The Americans at that time. Also, when the Americans occupied this island, they divided the island into 4 parts. They have the tail side, bottom side, middle side, and top side. Next section of the island considered also as the famous Barrio de Bo.
Hey, that is a Halloween promo. Anybody would like to take that promo? No.
Hello.
Hello po mga kachinelas.
Hey fam.
Ito yung chinelas mo, para talagang kachinelas.
Mga kachinelas, close up naman. Close up naman.
Ha?
Close up daw sa chinelas niya.
Ito yung sinasabi ni Tuan Sir na konti lang.
We're doing a pictorial now. Island at that time were burned. Imagine, burned. For every 25 square. Okay. Show you the this part inside the museum later on when it was not yet bombed or destroyed. Just take pictures anywhere. Don't review your pictures, Just review your pictures when you're about to sleep tonight. Ako nag-enjoy yung asawa niya. I see.
Ano yan?
Yan. Nasa hospital.
Hospital in
Hospital.
Corregidor.
Na binam daw ng mga Japanese kahit alam nila.
Kahit may
Hospital.
Red Cross na siya.
Yun lang.
Those are hawk, ma'am. Hawk. 45 up to the gun barrels of the cannons.
Ano pa? Galing doon. Ako pala yung hindi. Hindi naghanap ng ano eh. No?
Entrance of the Malinta Tunnel. Christian, please don't go straight down.
Ang taas.
Actually, dito tayo nag-land. Dito tayo.
Wow, nagland.
Oo, parang nasa...
Tantararan! O na may abot.
Akit ka, Rush?
Hi! Okay, so...
Hi. Di tayo kita.
Nasa Corregidor Museum. Pacific. Lakad lang lang. Pupunta natin yung mga friends natin who's taking pictures inside the scene na that looks like a church.
He finished his college education in 3 years. And what?
Guys,
69. 69? Overweight yun?
yung naman ako sa 69.
Hindi ko maalala yung ano. Si Darren, hindi makaalala ng number. Yes.
I don't
Not you.
believe.
Ay, video pa rin. Sobrang dami ng numbers na nakikita ko maalala ko ba? Sige nga, anong grade ka sa quiz ng Tuesday?
Olympic-sized saltwater swimming pool. They used to clean the surrounding. There were many houses of the senior officers at that time. Bachelors, commission. We're going up now to the highest. To your left side, that's the house of the Commander-in-Chief, Brigadier General General George Moore. And the building to your front right, those are the senior officers' houses at that time. Two families in one building. The higher rank officer occupied the second floor, the low rank officer occupied the first floor. From the in front, there's another gun battery. The scrappers, the scavengers, the looters were free to come in here and get what they want. You can go all the way up to the other gun, mama, pwede dyan dumaan. Weight 50 tons, that pulled this barrel up. But this gun cannot fire 360. Limited area or portion of firing. From that point up to this point alone, guarding southwest. So those 76,000 Filipino-American soldiers waiting for the supply in Bataan, no supply came in. 66,000 Filipinos, 10,000 Americans.
Nakakalapati lang.
The main tunnel is about 836 feet long, 24 feet wide. There were 24 extended laterals from the main tunnel. Those are extended laterals. It's hard huts because some parts of the tunnels are quite low, so we will bend like this. So that if you bump your heads on the rocks will not complain. And I have one very important rule in entering those tunnels. Please do not fart. So there's a headquarters of General Douglas MacArthur and the lateral occupied by Quezon. Imagine the tunnel was built for 10 long years from 1922, completed 1932 by long-time Filipino prisoners, 600 prisoners. Convicts did the digging of this tunnel under an American engineers.
Oh, video taking is pretty prohibited. Why?
Ay, we. Maniveles talaga.
Puno ang parking.
Eh, bida ang saya.
Puno ang parking din. Jackie Chan. Jack Marasigan.
Right, so your booking has been confirmed. They may now proceed. Thank you.
Wala naman tayong ibang pupuntahan
Hindi
nata.
nakita ko kanina sa mga ibang parang luxury na. Mura daw yung dito, lupa. Kasi medyo matayo siya. Oo. Pero investment siya kung i-re-resell. Kasi grabe bundok na ano. Hindi lang isang bundok eh. Yay! Hi, Cha.
So, hello, welcome.
Welcome nga pala sa bahay ko.
So, welcome. So, itong buong to, hindi yan sa akin.
Sabihin mo kay Donwell, surprise, may bahay na tayo.
Salamat sa mga
Binili ko to, magbabayad ka na lang.
Nakapag-down na tayo. Napirmahan ko na yung kontrata.
Ikaw na bahala sa monthly.
Ikaw yung guarantor ko.
Ay, hiningil ako kung Sa taas na. Sa taas na. Ito yung... Wow. Hi. Rest house.
Rest house? Rich ka? Ang nag-rent tayo ng 2 room para sa 7 people kasi akala namin hindi kasya. Pero, kasya naman siya.
Magdadagdag
Kasi,
lang ng
pakita mo yung
beddings.
bed. O, 2
Yan ba yung
dito.
sinasabi nilang
2
tatluhan?
dito. Tapos dito.
Wow.
It's just, may ginagawa.
Ang ganda nung... Wow. Hinawakan niya. Hinamoy niya. Masabi niya. Masabi niya. Kamay ko lang to. Ito naman sinisin niya siya. Tawa ko ng tawa.
Piling mo naman, tulog.
Tulog na. Pahit pa sa akin.
Pahit siya.
Pinahin mo ba sa akin?
Kayo talaga yun eh.
You could do it.
Ainom na lang tayo. Okay na.
naman. Like, shake, slurpy, slurpy.
Nakikita natin yung sun. Anong sun? Ano? Parang ang teacher na nila. Mga PBB teams pala sa class. Yung pala yung docking area.
Start mo. Hindi kita tinulungan, binidyoan lang.
Sabi niyo, susaktan na.
Dilaw, pula, tsaka ano. Basta parang kita rin dito. Ebi. Wow.
Nakakausap ko na.
Later ko na Ang laki naman ng burger.
Tita, baka so ang dami nito. Ayoko niya.
Ayaw nga.
Ikaw daw ba? Ikaw kayo.
Pizza lang ako.
Kasi nga ito na. Ano to?
Wala akong karayong sa bag. Spoon and fork.
Hello.